Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10a and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display and touch. Then let's scroll down and go to screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and the 30 seconds option is currently applied. Or at the bottom we've got the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified here that after 5 minutes of an activity this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.